What happens when you get to battle Hurricane Dorian with 3 boys? This is what it looks like when Dorian decides to take forever and you still have electricity, but you only bought hurricane supplies during your last week grocery shopping. So today the boys are having chicken sandwiches, tater tots, and Caden's favorite thing. What did Mommy find in the fridge?
Bacon! Bacon!
Bacon! So they're a little excited about that, right, Matt? Yep. And then we also found, where's it at? The broccoli, which has not been touched yet. Funny how that is. So yeah, it's probably not the healthiest lunch, but it is. Guys, let's see if you guys know. What day of the week is it? Do you know?
Memorial Day?
No, but not Labor Day anymore.
Is it the 38th?
Nope, it's no longer August. That should give you a hint.
Oh, September?
It's September now.
4th?
Wow, September 3rd. So that means today is what day of the week?
Wednesday?
Not Wednesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday! Today's Tuesday! Oh, Dorian.
What? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah, today's Tuesday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah, September 1st was Sunday.
Oh.
Dorian has messed everybody up, but that's okay. All right, when do you guys think the hurricane's really gonna hit? When do you think we're gonna start feeling the effects of it? What do you guys think? Right now they're saying tonight, tomorrow morning, all the way up until tomorrow night. It could hit any time in that span. So when do you guys think?
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
Matthew says tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, what do you think, Caden? You don't know. So it's about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's going on over there.
Yeah.
That's going on over there. And then look at this. He's snoring. I have no idea how he's sleeping through this or how he's so tired, but we're having pretty much fun. Dorian's still not here.
Where's Sue?
They're all asking where Dorian is. We don't know, but we know it's close. So we're just hanging out, and it's actually sunny outside right now. So we're just hanging out. Well, some of us are.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Some had a little too much hanging out time. All right, we'll update later.
Well, how can